Hello everyone, Paul Kelly, President of Maxiforce. Really excited to debut our new video chronicling the 30 years of the Maxiforce Catalog. This video has been a labor of love because the Maxiforce Catalog put Maxiforce on the map 30 years ago today. I have the pleasure of holding my father's original copy of the 1994 12-page catalog. I've got my 1997 catalog here, but really we're just so excited to launch this video from 12 pages to over 600 pages online. We really hope you enjoy the chronicling of the Maxiforce Catalog.